Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to report an issue on the Everand application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the lower bar at the screen and go to the last button, the account. Here you can find the fourth button, the report an issue. Click that. And in this site you can chat with the support assistant, and you can find different options, for example manage subscription, and you can find answers for your questions and different information. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.